Good morning, everyone. This is Ridley-Never coming to you live and direct. Yet another morning in paradise. It is cool. I'm in Georgia, Duluth area, and I've been driving since last night. You guys know I do my driving, so that's my job. I've been driving. But I have a situation driving last night where like about 2 a.m. this morning I had a problem with my trailer tire. And I know when Uncle hears this, he's not going to be pleased because this is his favorite transportation on the road. You know? So this is what happened. I blew a tire on the trailer. So now I have to get it serviced. And then this bracket, it got broken right here. It got broken right there. So anyone know about these stuff, they know that you can't just drive with it like that because situation with DOT on the road. So you have to, do all of that before you can get back on the road. So that's what I'm working with right now, having problems. So I'm trying to get it fixed. I'm at this tire shop. I drive 5 miles out of my way, can't finish my delivery, so I gotta do that before I can go on and finish up my delivery. So at this shop, it's called ACME Tire Sales and Service. That's all they do, tires and alignment. And someone recommended the shop to me this morning, and it seems like they do a pretty good job because when I got here there was a couple of trucks, so I had to wait in line for them to attend to me. So I finally got a space so I can I was able to park the truck, and they're starting to work on it. So here am I this morning in my dilemma. So this is the shop right here. So guys, when you're on the road and if you're in this area and you want a tire to get fixed or a new tire, so right now I'm gonna put on new tires on it, real new tires. I don't like the used tire thing because the used tires get you in problem, So I'm gonna just put new tires on. It's a bit expensive, but hey, save me time putting on used tires, because if I puncture on the road, then I call road service, and road service gonna come and they're gonna charge me a lot of money. Just last night I could do that, but it wouldn't make sense doing that. And I know better, you know what I mean? And I know the area, so that was the thing. I had to do that. But it's a nice, they have all different sizes of tires. All different sizes of tires they can use to, see? They have a huge array of tires they have on the shop. All different brand tires. So we just trying to get these tires organized. This truck is now leaving, so my truck is gonna work on next. We say start already, so we'll see. Alright guys, so I'll keep you guys posted as to what what the outcome will be. Alright, stay tuned for more. So guys, we still at it doing the brackets. Now they're installing the brackets for the mud flap, so you know, just gotta have things right before we can move again, you know.